Hey everybody, I'm Gokul from Restoration Brokers of America. Those of you who know me, I'm a real estate junkie, and all the time I read articles on, and I'm sure a lot of you do as well, what does $500,000 get me in each city, or what does $1 million get me in each city? So today I thought I'll do a fun video and change it up a little bit, and let's talk about restoration companies. What does $500,000 of profit get you today? What does $1 million of profit get you today? And what does $2 million of profit get you today, right? So let's start. First of all, you want to understand some basic assumptions. Buyers are paying you for the profit of your business and the health of your business. That is it. It is not based on revenue at all. And even within profits, there's a term called adjusted earnings. And without getting real complicated and accounting language, adjusted earnings is very simple. What we do is take the net profit of your business and we add back anything personal that's running through it or any of the accounting entries, right? Interest rates and depreciation and amortization. The idea is really, if you didn't take a single dollar out of your business, what is a true performance of your business? So that is the baseline of the $500,000, $1 million, and the $2 million in adjusted earnings, right? So here we go. If you had a business that's producing about $500,000 or around $500,000 of adjusted earnings, okay, or true earnings of your company, what can you expect in today's market? In today's market, I think you'll get about $3 for every dollar of profit that we can show. So for every $500,000, you're probably going to be able to sell your business for about $1.5 million, approximately. All right? So now let's go to the next level, which is $1 million. If we had a business that is performing really well and making $1 million a year in profit, you can expect to sell that business for about $4 million, for about $4 for every dollar of profit in today's market, right? And then let's go to the business that's got $2 million. So if you got a really great business, you're hitting it off the ballpark, it's making $2 million plus in adjusted earnings or in real profits of your business, someone's gonna pay you $6 for every dollar of profit. So you're gonna get about $12 million for your business. So there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching. If you like this video or want to know more about what your business is worth, go to www.rbasells.com.